Linux Privilege Escalation. In this video, I'll walk you through some practical methods to escalate privileges on a Linux system. Follow along with me, and I hope you enjoy it. First method, we are going to generate a password for our user cyberworm on Ubuntu. You can do this on Kali Linux too, but we'll save that for the next method for now. OpenSSL. This command is generated salted encrypted password. $ and number 1 indicates that the generated password in MD5 hash format. For the privilege escalation, it is required that file must have RWX, read, write, and execute permissions for the logged-in user. Now use this salted password for cyberworm user using echo command to put password in etc/password. After copy and pasted the salted password of cyberworm user, the next part 00 means sets the user ID and group ID to 0, giving the user root privilege. Next is root, specifies the user's name or group, /root, defines the user's home directory, /bin/bash, sets the default shell to bash for the user. Finally, add this new user to the etc passwd file. Use this tail command, quick way to check the new user you added is listed at the bottom, and verify the change. See cyberworm. This switches the current session to the user cyberworm. If everything worked, it'll log you in as that user. The password is the one that we just encrypted to MD5 format, which is CyberNinja. As you can see, we successfully log in. The first method is working. Let's practice another one, still using method number 1. Again, OpenSSL to generate an encrypted password for a new user. Echo command to add this new user 3 to the file etc/password. Tail command for quick check if the user has added to the file. SU user 3, password 123. We are now successfully logged in as a root using method 1. As you can see here in the password file of etc directory, we have Ubuntu user is the main authorized root, cyberworm and user 3 we just added and given them the root privilege. Their password is the encrypted MD5 hash format. Next, we're going to try method number 2. I'm now using Kali Linux to generate a new encrypted password for a new user. I will name it user4. In this method number 2, we don't use echo to add new user, password, and give them root privilege like the first method. We are going to do it manually. Let me show you how. Sudo nano command, open the password file in etc directory. From here we can add a new user manually. We are now successfully logged in user number 4 as a root using method 2. Run these commands to verify the results. As you can see, we've successfully completed the Linux Privilege Escalation lab. All the users we added now have root privileges. There are 4 more methods for Linux privilege escalation using Python, Perl, PHP, and Ruby. If you're curious about how those work, make sure to check out the PDF attached separately with this video and read through the easy-to-follow instructions for each method. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.